Can a general power of attorney be misused by an agent? Imagine giving someone the keys to your financial world, trusting they will handle everything honestly. But what if they don't? That's the concern with a general power of attorney. A general power of attorney is a legal document that lets someone act on your behalf in financial and legal matters. It's often used when you're unable to manage your affairs, like due to illness or travel. The person you appoint is called the agent or attorney, in fact. They can pay bills, manage investments, sell property, and even handle banking transactions. Because the agent has broad authority, it's important to choose someone you trust completely. Now, this power can be misused if the agent decides to act in their own interest instead of yours. For example, they might steal money from your bank account or make unauthorized withdrawals. They could also transfer assets to themselves or their family members, which is called self-dealing. Sometimes, they might go beyond what the document allows, such as making risky investments or changing your estate plans without permission. Neglect is another form of misuse. If the agent ignores your needs or fails to keep proper records, it can cause financial harm. Fraud is also a risk, like forging signatures or lying about transactions to access your assets. Elderly individuals are especially vulnerable to this type of abuse, which can include emotional manipulation or financial exploitation combined with neglect. The person who acts as your agent has a fiduciary duty, meaning they must act honestly, carefully, and loyally. If they breach this duty by stealing or neglecting your affairs, they are committing a legal violation. When misuse happens, family members, the court, or the estate executor can step in. They can file lawsuits to recover stolen assets or even ask the court to remove the agent from their role. Courts may requiring the agent to give a detailed account of all transactions and can impose civil or criminal penalties if abuse is proven. To prevent misuse, it's wise to pick someone you trust deeply. You can also set limits on their authority in the legal document. For example, specify what they can and cannot do, or requiring regular financial reports. Some people choose a springing power of attorney that only activates if you become incapacitated. Keeping detailed records of all transactions and having a third party oversee your accounts can also help. In elder law and estate planning, misuse of a general power of attorney is a common concern. It can cause serious financial loss and emotional distress. Being cautious, setting clear boundaries, and staying involved in your affairs are key steps to protect yourself. If you suspect misuse, acting quickly through legal channels can help recover assets and stop further abuse.